First, remove all the leaves from this hajjod or perende. So we won't be needing the leaves to make this chutney. Now next, apply oil on your hands. I prefer castor oil or sesame oil. Then peel the corners of the perende. It will be having 4 corners. You just need to peel only the corners and not the skin. Now take a tawa and heat it, and now I'll be using sesame oil to fry only the perende or hajjo. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat. Now add all the perende and start to fry it. Within 2 or 3 minutes it will change its color and turn around brownish green. So this will be the change of color in 2 to 3 minutes. Now take all the perende off with leaving only the oil in the kadai. We'll be needing only the perende. Now with the leftover oil add a little tur dal and then add 3 to 4 red chilies and then saute it a little bit and then add some garlic, about 3 cloves of garlic. In the meanwhile, take some onions, about 1 big onion or some small onions, and chop it. Now add the chopped onions and saute it very well. The color should change into a little brownish yellow of the onions. For that you can add a little pinch of salt. Now take some tamarind and roll it into a lemon sized ball and then put it into a karai and then fry it also. Now after sorting all these well, add the fried parande which we fried earlier and then sort it again. Now add some dry coconut, and I'm adding some dry coconut. If you add fresh coconut, well, that's good. Add some grated coconut, and main thing, the coconut should get fried very well, otherwise your chutney will get spoiled in a half day. And then add some salt and hing as per your taste. Now after sorting all these well, take it out in a plate and let it cool down for 15 minutes. Now I'm putting this in a mixture and we have to grind it to a chutney consistency. Add a little water in between to make it as a liquid type consistency. And this is our result. So now we'll be putting this in a kadai. Add some oil in a kadai, about 2 teaspoons or 1.5 teaspoons of oil, and then add some white urad dal in it. After adding that, add some mustard seeds, and then add around 1 chili or 2 chili, and then add the chutney that you mixed in a mixture, and then saute it around 2 minutes on high flame, and then turn it down to low flame, and then saute it for 10 minutes. You can also add a little water if you want, and after you turn it down to low flame, you can see that it is bubbling. Now once it starts bubbling, keep it around to 7 to 8 minutes. See, it's bubbling. Now this is a final result once you give that tadka to it, and I hope you liked it. Enjoy.